I am with Mr. Leo Wong of Access Protocol. How are you
Thank you.
today?
Yeah, it's been amazing. Like so many people coming to Istanbul, like this part of the earthquake. So grateful to see all of the Solana people here.
Is this your first time to here in Turkey? What I mean?
Yes, indeed. Yeah, it's a beautiful city. Yeah, and the food is also amazing.
So until when are you going to stay here?
I'll be staying here till Sunday and I'll going to Dubai for the token.
Oh, interesting. So I might see you there then.
Yeah.
So before anything else, before we talk about Access Protocol, who is Leo Wong?
So I'm the APAC lead at Access Protocol. So before coming at Access, I was also a venture partner in a Hong Kong VC. So specialized in like research and like maybe investment and also go-to-market strategies. Cool.
Access Protocol. When you say Access Protocol, what is that?
So Access Protocol, we're actually the largest content monetization layer on Solana. Been in the space for like almost 3 years. So we have more than like 5 million USD being staked on our protocol and more than 260K users as well. So we are for media, for creator, for subscriber, and for all users. So we place like the pay-to-go model, the traditional way. We mix staking into a better way to how to monetize content, and it's been very successful. And like we have a very good relationship with Solana. And also thank you for the chance today being interviewed by you. Thank you.
What makes Access Protocol stand out from all the competitors if you guys have?
Talking about competitors, so actually we don't have like a direct competitor. So you can see us like a Web3 version of like with Patreon. But Patreon, you need to bond your credit card there. And we always think that like sticking your credit card for a long time is bad. Because you never know like when you have to pay again, you may have like the credit card failure as well. But if you are using like a staking version, staking model, it's a much more different way. So you can unstake anytime, and staking allows you to earn yield at the same time while you are also unlocking content, the rewards from your favorite creators. So this really makes us a very like popular and also keep on a long-lasting revenue for the creators and also for the subscribers. So we have a broad range of the partners as well. We have around like more than 310 of the creators. All our top tiers, all are very talented. So like talking about like the partners, we have like Wu Blockchain, CoinGecko, Foresight News. Those are the most trusted source, and they also have a creator pool here as well. So you can come here to check out. How
is the relationship between Access Protocol and Solana?
It's been started for a very long time. So of course, like my CEO, like build a relationship first.
Yes.
So me myself, I'm more closer with the Solana Foundation in the Asia side.
Okay.
So like every time when they have some conference, when they have some events, they also invite us to come there to have a panel or have a keynote to speak there. So yeah, our relationship has been very close. So super excited to meet the team in Dubai. There are a big event there.
And then what do you think is the future impact of Access Protocol in the ecosystem?
Yeah, so we have been keep on attracting a lot of the users, artists, or like the researchers keep on coming on board. Since we are a tool that allow people to like strengthen the connection between the creator and subscribers. So a lot of our users actually come from a Web2 base. So it's actually bringing more of the normal people or people who doesn't know about crypto to Solana and start using, like learning crypto for like the Solana chain as well.
Aside from, yes, Access Protocol you just launched, you were talking about it a while ago. It's about Access Intelligence, right?
Yes,
so
indeed.
can you please tell us more about it?
Yeah, so Access Intelligence is our big point like this time in Crossroads. We're also launching like the MVP, the demo here. So Access Intelligence is like our no-code like platform for you to launch AI agents for yourself, for your friends, or like for your company. So like imagine being able to deploy agents like within like 5 minutes, and you can get the most accurate and also the like at the moment time the most top tier, top trusted source of the data like CoinGecko, Foresight News, and you can use that data for your own agents. So it's not like ChatGPT. So a lot of the AI agents like, okay, you chat with a bot and then you get an answer. But like ChatGPT, you can't get the accurate answer from like the real-time BTC price. You can't know about like, you can't distinguish between the source is true or not as well, because it's coming from a very cloud basis from the internet. But for us, you can just select the choice of the source that you want. Like I can just choose like CoinGecko and Foresight News. And all of the data coming from is also from those data as well. So like if I ask about the Solana Solana price, it will give me the instant price from the CoinGecko. So everything is much more trustworthy. And for a person that if you are into crypto or you have a cabal or so, it's very important to get the real-time source of news. And yeah, so creating an agent very easy and bringing the monetization layer to the crypto users and also the agents.
Why is Access Intelligence a game changer for the way we consume and monetize content today?
Yeah, that's a great question. So we see it's like agents are the next consumers and they are like faster, multilingual and also customizable. So it's a very like a game changer because you yourself can create your own agent. You can set a tone for it. You can also set what kind of things, the topics they can say or they not say. And for a normal user's perspective, it's actually like minimize a lot of the extra time for them to doing research of stuff. Like every day, if I just come over the news and I have to scroll down what I want to read or what I want to know, it's actually a waste of time. But if I can have an agent, it's just like automations. It pop up what the top 10 news I have to know about this morning, in the afternoon, or at night. And whenever it have some like keywords I want to know about, it will also pop up the news that I have to know. So it's a full automation of agents, also created by the users like you yourself. You can create your own agent as well.
What makes Access Protocol differentiate from traditional content platforms or marketplaces?
The agents we can't see out there can be having a marketplace for agents. But right now, like for Access Intelligence on our launchpad, after you create your own agent, you can also put it on a marketplace, put it on free or put it on a subscription basis. So people can use your own agents to do their own stuff too. So like we talked with like Foresight News, they are really interested about that. They will build their own official like AI agents very soon based on our product. And users can, like they not even know that they're using the Access Intelligence. It's like using their own brand or stuff. Our agent is only like a platform, is a tool for them to make it much more easier, no code, and they can get the much trustworthy source if they want, yeah.
How can someone from zero technical background start using Access Intelligence or support their favorite creators on Access?
So support the favorite creators on Access is like we have a hub. So there are so many like amazing creators there. So you simply just connect like your Phantom wallet, Software wallet, or just Gmail via tip link. So it's very user friendly. So you just stake the minimum amount of tokens and you can unstack anytime. But once you stake, you start generating a yield. Like we have a 30% APY for more than 2 years, like has been sustainable as well. And then like you can, despite of unlocking the rewards from us, you also unlock the rewards from your creators that you want. So like if you subscribe to a new source, you got alpha, you got research. If you subscribe to an artist, you got artwork, or like some like behind the scene work as well. Yeah, so we will be fully like able, the whole world of users, also different region of users, to launch what they want. Because right now, like data source, we choose from the most top tier sources like the media, also like CoinGecko. But the next step, we will allow the KOLs or others like content creators as well to put their own data, to put their own information there. And people can also use their own other source to create their own agents. And for agents, it can be like multilingual. Like I speak Chinese, I speak English. I can create an agent only speak in Turkish, but it's also using my knowledge, using my data to like transfer it to every regions.
Thank you so much. It was nice talking to you, Leo Wong. And how old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
Yeah, thank you so much. I'm 27.
27. Oh, yeah, still young. Anyway, I'm just kidding. Thank you so much. And do you have any last message for our Solana fam right here?
I think like Solana is keep on like progressing, keep on improving as well. So like it's a good price to buy Solana right now. So yeah, it's like we love Solana so much. So thank you so much.
Oh yeah, and if you are open for collaborations, and how they should get in touch with you guys then?
Yeah, just
how
go
they can reach out to you.
Yeah, just like follow Access Protocol, and also our product name is also Try Intelligence. So you can also follow it on Twitter as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Leo Wong. And that's it. Thank you so much, guys. We still have another guest coming up, so please do stand by here at web3.tv.